Welcome back to Dinner Made Easy with Dena. Today we have a super easy, simple recipe using a rotisserie chicken. Let's get going on that. First thing I did was I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I have about a 9 by 8 baking dish that I'm using. I've got some mashed potatoes, and I've used 2 giant mashed potatoes. So we prepared those, and we're going to set those off to the side. And we're also going to prepare 1 box of stovetop type stuffing mix. And I use the cornbread. And we're going to mix that all together just as per the package instructions. And then we're going to put a lid on this, and we're going to set this aside while we prepare our chicken for the dish. Now this is super easy, guys, and it's a really, really tasty meal. You won't want to miss out on this one. I absolutely love using a rotisserie chicken because I can get so many quick and easy meals out of it, and this is no exception. It is an absolutely wonderful dish. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is prepare my chicken for my baking dish, and I just sliced off chicken breast, and you can use as much as you like, and I lined the bottom of my dish with the chicken breast, and I did use a little olive oil in the dish to keep it from sticking. Just make sure that you're using enough chicken to line the bottom of your dish. The next thing I did was I took a can of cream of chicken soup, and it's just your standard size can. I think it was a 10-ounce can. I'm not sure, but it's the smaller of the cans. And I put that in a dish, and I added 1 cup of whole milk. And I'm just going to whip that all together. And this is going to work as like a gravy in our dish. Once we've got that stirred in together, then I'm going to go ahead and pour that over my chicken. And this is just a quick, easy way. If you like to make your own, you certainly can. But I'm trying to keep this super simple because I just don't feel like going to a lot of work today. There, and then just make sure that your chicken is covered and it's spread out nice and evenly. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to go in with our mashed potatoes. And like I said, I used 2 giant potatoes. If you don't have super big ones, then use 4 medium size. That'll work out just fine. And I just mashed my potatoes, and I used milk and butter in the potatoes and spread those out right over the top carefully across where all of that soup mix is. There we go. See how easy it's coming together. Then just for fun, I took some frozen corn and I sprinkled it right over the top. It's kind of like got that Thanksgiving vibe with a chicken though. Anyway, all I know is it turns out so, so good. And then just spread that corn out. You can also use peas if you like peas. And then we're going to top this off with our stovetop stuffing. And like I said, super, super easy and absolutely delicious meal to pull together in just a few minutes. There we go. And then we're just going to make sure we spread this out all across the top. We want to make sure everything is covered really well. The next thing I did, I went in with some butter, and I just sliced off some butter and spread it across the top, probably about a half a teaspoon with each drop. And I think I did 6 of these over the top. And then we're going to get it into the oven and bake it. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you took a minute to do that. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps my channel out a lot. Okay, there we go. And please feel free to leave a comment. I always love your comments. Okay, so now we're just about ready for the oven. And it is going to go in to the oven, and I think I did this for about 20 minutes. We just want to make sure that it's heated all the way through before we serve it, and you'll be able to tell because it'll be nice and hot and bubbly when it comes out of the oven. This recipe came out so good. Just check it out. Doesn't that look beautiful? And it was nice and moist and just delicious. This is a comfort meal that was quick and easy and very economical. So give this a try. Don't be afraid to try something new. It's just delicious. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your day.